to all the lovelies and friends, and welcome back to the mix. Now, we have Marcia on the mix today, and she's talking about the landlord Erica and Miss Kitty. Now, the landlord Erica popped up on her page while she was doing her live and said that she came to watch. No, Marcia. It's a good thing though. Marcia didn't go out of character. Marcia just blocked her and said that she won't allow her to basically interfere with her dinner or interfere with her mood as she is, trying to keep up a good mood and trying not to be in any arguments with anyone or to curse bad words as she had, dedicated herself to not curse any bad words for the beginning of the year. So she's also talking about Miss Kitty and about Miss Kitty's reveal. The baby is a girl. And Marcy is excited for Miss Kitty, and she said that's a great fit for Miss Kitty as Miss Kitty will be able to go out and shop with her daughter, and her daughter will have the same attitude as her. So Marcy is talking about that and more. So guys, go ahead and catch the video. And remember, for me to bring you content like this every day, you would need to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Have yourselves a beautiful one.
Age. All they talk about is man and curse. A black for over here. So you have to come back over here no more. I'm going to back that channel. So that you black from right over here. So me ask a question. Then away you over here. What away you bright? Then we come over here for now. You tell me now. Erica Landlawd, we come over here for now. Eh? Get a chat, we have a chat today already. We come over here for. Huh? Where you come over here for? You come over here to get content. You're there right, that's what I see you. Let me see you right here. Where you come over here for? I want to ask you a question. What are you doing over here? That is my question to you. What are you doing over here? It said that you're watching. What are you doing over here? Huh? What are you doing over here? You know, come over my page, make no comment over here. You're too bright. Ban for our live stream. You're too rash now for me. I can eat my food in peace. Because then said up in over frightened. So you know better? You're better. You're too enough. Anybody else ban? You take this thing for a joke. I'm not joke. We're in a joking mood right now. I'm in no joking mood right now. I ain't in no joking mood right now. Them feel so they can come cuss and go on and come. No, this one that tastes like pudding. Everybody has sent me message in a messenger. Marcia, Miss Kitty have a girl. I said, what I do was a girl shape. Her belly never look like no. Her belly never look shape like no boy baby. Boy baby belly pointed. Miss Kitty never have no girl right now. Miss Kitty have to try look harder. Two of them go up in a age right now. The sperm have to be a little stronger. If you get a boy pitney right now. So girl it is. A girl she forget it. Two of them will go shopping together. Girl fit Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty will take care of one girl much better. She going to have a challenge. A pitney they going to be very rank and feisty. If she have a boy, the boy will be more reserved. A girl wanna go and give her one piece of challenge. Me not ask you. Yes, my dear. One piece of attitude. Like your mama. So it best if she have one girl, the two of them can go chop shop. Miss Kitty easy if you handle the girl picking it. The boy one is going to be too much. He's going to depend on the daddy side, which is a girl one, depend on the daddy side regardless. And we depend on daddy more. Yep. I'm telling you, the carrot cake is good. I know them alone if you happy for. Happy for anybody who are tired not to get married. Well, if you do not 12, if you go to the church to serve God. Yeah. I mean, you're happy for them? You're happy for anybody who get married. Because marriage is very good thing. You just have a marriage. What you have to do for pray for your marriage? Everybody might be happy and say, oh, to find a good educated husband, which is that she's educated too. But you have to make sure, you have to know that education don't keep man. Sexy body don't keep man, and money don't keep man. So just remember that a ring don't keep man either. Ring is just a piece of paper. Because if you don't have God in it, it don't even make no damn sense. So just don't sit down and say it could be me, it could be you, or whatever it is. Them there's something there. Don't. Because a couple years down the road or a year or two, you can't hear say two of them break up. Because you have to understand both of them have friends that they were talking to before. The man have friend who I talked to before. You don't know who him have behind closed door. Then I wish Jamaican man in a film Calabar a job. Have one woman. Miss Kitty, I get born under her ass, said we. Whether Miss Kitty like it or not. Miss Kitty, you know me, because you come over here and watch me. Yes. All you do, keep yourself quiet. And breathe again. And see if you can get 3 pitney out of him. And you're set for life. Forget your little child support money. Nobody go searching for and argue with him. Make him galang. Make him put on condom. Because there is no Jamaican businessman and Jamaican man like that when I have one of the hot girl out there. May I tell you that? Because you are work and you tired when you go about your business. Just make sure you get one ugly housekeeper come in the house. No care like a whole woman come there for babysitting. No care no young girl come look at baby. Make sure you get a woman in their 50s and 60s. Make sure the one ugly. You understand? And make sure the woman wear a uniform. Now make them wear no shorts, no sexy clothes. When they come there for babysit, make sure she wear a uniform. And don't get no young girl in the house. That's all the advice me have to give you. No young girl. Make sure you get somebody in their 55. And make sure she's not pretty. The woman not pretty either. Exactly. And don't be searching your phone and be arguing because you know you're getting whole. And no like, so we're on the good looking and pretty side anyway. And education don't mean say education and big batty education don't mean say we're going to find a nice Aussie. You understand? So I'm going to tell you, say, nobody argue with him, but you're going to get born with a hotter girl than you. Yes, you're going to get born. The man is established. And a Jamaican established man don't keep one woman. So all of you keep yourself quiet and just breathe again very soon. It's when the baby reach 6 months, go for the other one and done. Have 3 with him and done. So halfway the money come. That's all. Go for the other one. Everybody go search and argue with him. Just make sure you have him big wait for him when you come even time. Honey, what time you coming home? Well, you know, sweetheart, I'm going to drink 2 liquor with my friends. Okay, honey, don't drink too much. Drive safely. And you just make sure you have him dinner. When he come home, you just go meet him at the door. Yes, and give him a little chops. Because man hard for your ass fine. Man hard for fine. And most of them man here, in a film caliber, them always go for hotter girl than you. Yes, younger girl than you. And prettier girl than you. Especially when they get to that age. They want a hot girl. When no say education, they hope they but you must see, reality is reality. Most of them man, they always go for a younger tenderoni and a more hotter girl. You understand? So, nobody play the fully. Make him dash out all and make sure say a truck is in your name and a fee one. You understand? Make sure say a fee your name that like a Range Rover. You know? Yes. And keep yourself quiet. Don't follow them like a idiot Jamaican now where they have to find like a man. You understand? A man like that, him not really not there with any woman. He might try there with one like a reserve woman. Him not there with no. He's not gonna there with no careless ghetto girl. Because him no want them to go call up him name and go get him in trouble. So any woman we might talk to, he might talk to one reserve, stushy woman just like you, when nobody no want hear so them are there. And them not gonna cause no problem. So lady, you have to work with the program, sister honey child. If somebody come and work and tell us say whatever it is, all you do, you make sure so you keep yourself sexy at all times. Make sure so when you roll out, don't drop yourself because you're married and think you get your man already. And long if you keep up it. And pop in him office. When he's working, pop in there and bring him lunch, go give him. Yes, my dear. And when you go to the office, you dress like a raspuss. Dress up like a puss and go to the office. And wheel your body. And push your baby. Honey, I'm here. It's my husband. I make it. Yes, go on. I'm going to give him lunch. Pop up there. Clear the baby. Push that raw stroller and go up there. Go sit down and have lunch with him. Don't even look on him. Make them go and chat. Make them fret. Because you don't know your man left. Man, I have to fly. I used to say, a mad one, they are running down already. And you go on in foolishness. So that follow them up there. Don't follow them. We are get old now. I used to say the other side that take away everybody. I to them, I see what wedding on social media. I pay a woman a bend down about them and engage. I'll tell you. That's why the woman have on Facebook I believe so. Cause them they look like them not known about them no man them my rough. Yes, so take me little advice. Yes, me dear, pop up there. And don't just sit there. Yes, me dear, make sure I have a little dinner ready. And yes, be like the African woman them. When you come up from work, go meet him. Honey, yes. Yeah, my dear. And don't and keep up yourself. Yeah, my child. Keep up yourself. Nobody go drop yourself. And make sure you keep up your exercise. Because you know what, a body they getting bigger. So you try and keep up exercise. So when you that because I get a man now you talk when you go to gym. After that ras baby drop, go back to gym. Go gym up yourself. And make sure so you go out. Now make you left in the house back when a ras mother. Make babysitter and go right. In my party, you're going to their party, chip chick ras, clacky right back at him. Now make him come tell us, say, hon, I'm going to this place tonight. I'll see you later, honey. No. Put on that ras pad and pad up yourself and go along. Back at him. Yes, my dear. Give the baby 1, 2, 3 months. I want 2 months, I want 3 months. Any party, I go right back at him. Now make him left in a no house like you're no housewife. Right there. Right there. Right back there, so you're gone. Not because your mother know. That is what money is for, to earn money. That is what it's called. Baby sitter. Put on your clothes. And right back at him. Him not left you going away. And those are some of my advice too. And me, Marcia, I do the same thing too. When CJ did ban in Daddy, when CJ did ban, she was like 2 months old. And then they make trip to go to Jamaica. And his father, his mother said, no, baby, it's too young, make Marcia stay. Me plan to me go to Jamaica every year. So baby and a baby not me was going on that Air Jamaica plane. So the whole week them a plan and we did them and baby father say, Marcia, you can't come to Jamaica, baby too young. Me say baby young, a baby at 2 months old. Baby and a baby not. Me ma. And then plan and then be there plan. Me say, that is a Marcia, yeah. Them the time the credit card run like Ross. Maybe if father must have about 20 credit card. Me ma. Me get the credit card and go in your wallet. And I book my RAS ticket. First class too. First bumbo class. I book. Because them the time the many man and I wasn't getting along. And as she did that talk about, because first of all, me was supposed to go. All of a sudden, no, babe, me that me can't go. Me say, who do I talk to? But me go to Jamaica every year. And I catch a credit card to see, and I book first class. I me depend Jamaica Avenue every day. And me a shop out Ross and shopping and buying up my things them. Push my suitcase under the bed and pack up my things and pack up baby something them and about 2 or 3 days after. Me say I'm going to Jamaica. I never believe it. He said, Marcia, you going to Jamaica? I said, yes. He said, get money from Jamaica. I said, didn't you left for $300 on dresser? He said, if you left, you come back. I said, I go take. I need more money. Me, I got my family here. What kind of money I need? You go, whatever. Same say, where you get money from a buy ticket? Mr. My friend work for the airline and give me a body pass. Mr. My friend work for that time I have a friend work for the airline. Well, but she would not get the body pass from her. Uh-huh. You know what I like about it. Yes. And me tell him say me get body pass from my friend. Me? He never have no choice. The mama begs, I don't care. Me say the morning I get up, when them a pass, I go in a coach, me in a first class. I that if you do them. When them a pass, I go in a coach. And me and CJ that cock up in a first class. Don't freak yourself with Marcia. I'm in a ramp. You understand? And I went to Jamaica. And I was with my sister in Harborview. And they came. Both they want a baby. If you care about show family. I say, what kind of baby? Not this a baby. I never want them to come. I must have bought almost a week before. Then could I get a baby if you care about family. Go see the other side of family. Yes. Because you never want a baby. All of a sudden you want a baby for show family. That's what people tell you. Yes, my dear. Yes. Well, we had a wonderful time. That's how you have to do, people. Me? Mess with me until my cup run over. Mess with me until my cup run over. And see, I can be very vindictive. Very vindictive. You hear me tell you, a first class me book. And them the time the first class was $900. And $900 was a big money them time there. You can't buy 2 or 3 plane tickets. At them the time the plane ticket I go for $300, for $375 and $400. And first class I go for $900 and $700 $800. So you must know. Don't ramp with me. I shop out Ross. I shop out Ross. From you did you come at them, but you can't come. Baby too young. Where you go? What kind of baby? Baby's too much.